Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my January Barbella box unboxing. It's been a little bit since I have posted a Barbella box unboxing because I've been skipping the last few months, and to be honest with you, I actually just kind of forgot to skip January. Not because I don't like the service. I'm not gonna lie, I don't love Barbella box and I wouldn't be like mad if I canceled. I don't know why I don't just cancel, but anyway, I ended up forgetting to skip this month, so I do have a Barbella box and I figured it would be fun to unbox with you guys in case it is a subscription service that you have been considering purchasing or subscribing to. Basically, it is a monthly fitness subscription service, kind of more geared towards females. Typically they have, or actually it is geared towards females, they have they typically include like a shirt or some sort of clothing item, and when you fill out your profile, you obviously put your size. It's been a while since I filled out the profile, so I don't know if you put any sort of like preferences, and I don't think the box is specifically curated. Like, I think every single box is the same. It's it's either $49.99 a month or $44.99 per month. I will check before I edit this video and put the actual price in the description box, as well as a link to the website in case you're interested in subscribing. So without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in this month's Barbella box, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so like I said, I've really only ever been impressed by like one or two of my Barbella boxes, and actually I think the last unboxing that I did I was pretty impressed by, but still $44 or $49 a month is pretty pricey. And to be honest, the last 3 to 4 months out of 2018 I really wasn't going to the gym a lot. I've since started back up into my gym routine, which is super exciting, and I'm hoping to stick with it the entire year this year and not let work or outside things kind of play into making sure I get to the gym 3 to 4 times minimum a week. So inside you always get your postcard that describes every single item and gives a value. It looks like we're getting 6 items in this box. Usually it ranges from 5 to 6. And then they also include a card with a coupon to usually something that's inside the box, or like a company that's inside the box. This month it looks like you get 15% off templates and ebooks with code Barbella15. Okay, so jumping right in, I can tell this actually looks relatively exciting. It looks like there's a water bottle here, which if you guys follow my channel at all, you probably know I have a weird obsession with water bottles. I love water bottles. I basically collect them, and I'm always looking for like the newest, most fun water bottle that there is. My current obsession has been the Hydro Flask, and I've loved that probably for the last 3 months or so. I also really enjoy the beaker water bottles. The only thing I don't like about those is, and this is like the laziest comment ever, but you actually have to like tilt your head back to drink that, whereas the Hydro Flask you get the straw. That has no relative point. There's really no point of me explaining my obsession with water bottles, but now you know. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to grab is this right here, and this is the Bombshell Facial Cleansing Balm. It says this balm melts into skin, removing makeup, excess oil, and other impurities left over from your busy day. Mango and shea butter deeply hydrate, while vitamin C helps to brighten the appearance of skin. Okay, so it looks like this is kind of like an oil cleansing balm, which is exciting. I have also gone through like a weird thing with oil cleansers where I was really obsessed with the Burt's Bees ones, and then I didn't love it so much, and then I really liked the Tula one, and then I didn't like it so much. So then I'm kind of taking a break from like that first step cleanser, kind of like if you do like a 2-step or a dual cleanse. But I'm excited to test this out. I really enjoy testing, you know, basically anything, but especially anything to do with skincare or makeup. So that is super, super exciting. I'm gonna see if it has a scent. I love mango, so if it smells like mango, that will be exciting. It more so smells it kind of smells like sea salt. It kind of has more of like a masculine scent to it, which is fine in my books. But so it says that this is from Flower Mill Beauty. It has a $42 value, and it's an all-in-one cleanser and makeup remover that deep cleanses pores without stripping or drying the skin. So it does sound, in my opinion, even though it says it can cleanse, it's like dual purpose. Usually I just use this as a first step in a dual cleanse. So excited to give this a try and see how it goes. Next up, it looks like a clothing item, and let's see. Ooh, it looks like leggings, so yes. Oh, I wonder if these are capri or 7/8. Okay, they appear to be crop, which is fine. I typically prefer 7/8 or like a full-length pant, just because I have bigger calves. But these are the wood bottom amp leggings. They retail for $48. What I actually like about these is that they have like the blue detailing on this, which is very true to like the Barbella logo and just like their overall brand. And then on one of the pockets it also says Barbella box, which I actually think is pretty cute. And then on the back it has a little heart with like a barbell through it as well, which is really cute. So it says their newest booty coverage, the amp leggings, are made of their new buttery soft and moisture wicking nylon spandex fabric that feels great against the skin even during the sweatiest of workouts. With contoured seaming and a high waist, your bod will be on point whether you are lifting, yogaing, or chillaxing. These leggings also feature pockets on both legs, and while donut storage is not recommended, it's also frowned upon. Okay, so they tried to make a little joke there. Haha. Anyway. I do enjoy having pockets in some of my leggings. Usually when I work out, I actually don't like the pockets, so I'll probably end up just wearing these like if I go for walks or if I'm just honestly chillaxing. But exciting that we got a pair of leggings. That is really awesome. They actually feel pretty thick, like they feel like a really good material, so I'm excited to try these out. And then we also got a tank top, it looks like, which I'm not gonna lie, like the tank tops and stuff don't always get me super amped. So the tanks don't always get me super jazzed, and honestly, like, I mean, I'll wear this around the house, but I could really do without this. I got mine in a size small. It feels like it might be like one of the more like tighter tanks, which isn't always my favorite, and it's a cotton material. We have gotten like workout, like more wick type material tank tops in our boxes before, which I appreciate more than these, so not too excited about this, but the other two items have been good. Okay, next up from Devotion Nutrition, we got a sampler pack of their Flex flavors, and they also come with a 20% off coupon to their website with code BB20. Don't give up the sweet tooth just yet after the holidays. Flex flavors can be added to anything that needs some fun flavor without calories. Add these to protein shakes, oatmeal, or even your coffee. The possibilities are endless. It looks like the 3 samplers that I got are Monster Cookie, Peanut Butter Crunch, and Gummy Fish. I don't know how I feel about the gummy fish, but I'm excited about the Monster Cookie and Peanut Butter Crunch. I'm not sure what I'll add these to. Maybe oatmeal? Maybe oatmeal. I don't know how I feel about adding them to, maybe, I don't really do protein shakes that often. I don't really see a purpose of adding them to water, but we'll see. This isn't really something that I see myself going out to purchase afterwards unless it's truly incredible, but cool that we get to try them out. So then I will grab the water bottle, and this is a My Tagalongs water bottle. It has a retail value of $28. It says reach for one of these statement and graphic inspired water bottles whether you're at the gym, running errands, or traveling. Insulated, double walled, and vacuum sealed, these stainless steel bottles keep your drink cold for 12 hours or hot for 8 hours. They're BPA free and hand wash only. So it's a really pretty gold color, which I like. Oh my goodness. Cool. On the front of the water bottle it says hustle, and then it gives like a definition. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see, but that is super cool, and it's a really pretty gold color. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is almost worth it just for the water bottle, in my opinion, because I love water bottles, even though you could purchase this for $27 on your own. And then it also says the dream is free, but the hustle is sold separately. This is so cute, you guys. I'm going to drink out of this today. I'm so excited about this. Now I'm really happy that I got the box. Okay, last but not least, I'm actually really excited about this too. So also from my tag-alongs, we got these gliding discs, which is exciting because I've actually really been wanting some gliding discs to bring with me to the gym, just because at my gym we don't have discs. They have like actual wheels on it, which literally terrifies me. So these retail for $15, and it says work your entire body out by adding intensity to your lunges, squats, and upper body workouts. Perfect for strength training at home or on the go. They're double-sided for use on hard floor surfaces or carpets, which is really, really cool. So I am so excited about these too. So this box actually is 100% worth it in my opinion. I'm not mad at all that I ended up forgetting to skip this month, and in fact I'm actually kind of relieved that I did. So these are cute. They say be stronger than your excuses. These are super cute. I'm so excited about these as well. I can't wait to go to the gym tonight. I'm gonna bring these. I'm gonna bring my water bottle. I probably won't wear my leggings or tank top, but I will wear those leggings around home. I'm super excited about this box. Now again, I'll probably still end up skipping next month because this is just a box that I don't feel like I need to receive every single month. What is really nice about Barbella box is they do offer the option to skip really, really easily, as long as you remember to log on and skip before the date is. I can't remember what the date is, but it's super easy to skip. So if this is a box that you've been considering, I hope this video helped you kind of make a decision. You'll have to let me know in the comment box down below if you're subscribed to Barbella box or if you're subscribed to any other fitness subscription services. I've also tried Muscle Me Out, which I really wasn't a huge fan of. It was fine, but just nothing special. So I've yet to find like that really good fitness subscription service. So if you guys have any recommendations, definitely let me know down below. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.